how to change voice on Discord mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to change your voice on Discord mobile. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application and click on this profile icon. Just make sure you have already logged into your account. So once you click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner, just click on settings from the top right corner and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is voice. And here you should see all of your input as well as output section. For this method to work, you actually need a third-party application, so make sure to download that. So for this method to work, you will require an application that is voice mode, which helps to change your voice on Discord mobile. So make sure to have download and install this from your Play Store or App Store. So once you successfully download and install the voice mode application, make sure to select your voice, as it offers a variety of voices to change from. And after that, simply head back to your Discord application and on this voice option once again, and here on this soundbar option or output section, you should see all of your imported voice mode option from the voice mode application, and you can just choose between any one of them and you can just easily change your voice on Discord. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.